Mill Hill Road, Manchester. Follow the road ahead. Keep it on the left and go ahead. Keep going ahead. Slow down under the bridge. Follow the road round to the left. Nice and slow is the corner bend, so come more to the left and then go ahead. Now follow the road round to the right and go ahead. Slow down, reduce your speed. Park cars on the left, so we need to reduce our speed and then go ahead. Reduce again so you can see. Follow the road round to the left again and go. So 0.3 miles, turn left on Middleton Road. Turning left on Middleton Road, okay? 290 yard, not here. End of the road right. Gentle braking, okay? Your braking is harsh, it's not good. So gentle braking and stop behind the line always, so you can see in your junction. It's a blind junction, so when you're turning right, so keep looking in the road both sides when you're turning right. It's a blind junction, we can't even see, so we're gonna go creep and then we turn. Our light is still red. Yeah. Now it's green. So slowly move forward and then look and go. Next road, we are turning left on High Lane. So next left on High Lane. Assess your junction properly, check your left mirror and then turn left. Now follow the road ahead. Go ahead in 1 mile, we're gonna go ahead on the roundabout, okay? So keep going ahead now.